We lived in Taipei for a year just to experience life there. And honestly, the food alone made it worth it. From our neighborhood breakfast spots to late-night food runs, we ate our way through this incredible city. These are the dishes we kept coming back to, the ones we still dream about. Number 1. Ding Tai Fung's legendary xiǎo bao. Those perfect soup dumplings and their miàn, spicy noodles, iconic for a reason. Number 2. The incredible vegan flaky pastries. 黑芝麻酥饼, black sesame pastry, and 萝卜丝酥饼, shredded radish pastry. Crispy and good. Number 3. Classic 卤肉饭, that rich braised pork rice with 卤水豆腐, braised tofu on the side. Pure comfort. Number 4. 水饺, juicy boiled dumplings. 炸酱面, noodles with that savory fried bean sauce. Can't choose just one. Number 5. Táiwān牛肉面, Taiwanese beef noodle. Rich, tender, soul-warming perfection. And number 6. 花生吐司, peanut butter toast. Perfect sweet ending to any Taipei food adventure. Which one would you try first?